Ulta Chhata Harvester. We have entered in 21st century. In this century, we are developing faster. We have been introduced 3G, 4G and now 5G. Not in India. Today, we are inventing and using very advanced technology in every field. This century has opened the doors of many new opportunities, but day by day, it is also giving us many new challenges. Global warming is one of the biggest environmental crises. Water scarcity is a major problem before us, especially of the drinking water. And there are many other environmental problems, and we need to solve them. Some people don't think anything about these problems. Some just think. Some people just think and speak, but only few people think and implement their ideas and imagination to solve these problems and for the betterment of the world. Priya Chokshi and Samit Chokshi are one of them. Priya Chokshi spent her early years as an architect in Atlanta, where she has worked at John Portman, a large architecture and real estate investment fund, and later moved back to India to co-found a green consulting firm, which has certified over 3 million square feet of green building space. Samit Chokshi, her husband and co-founder, has previously co-founded and worked at various startups in India and Silicon Valley as a software architect and developer. The couple have filed several patents on their clean tech inventions. After living, studying, and working in Singapore, London, Atlanta, and the Bay Area, the couple's experiences motivated them to build products that could help India to move up to the level of global standards in environment conservation. With the love for nature and the environment, they wanted to realize their dream of building simple, affordable, and intelligent products that influence user behavior to conserve Earth's natural resources. And they founded ThinkFi in 2015. Later, they invented their first product, Ulta Chhata. Ulta Chhata is a patented system that smartly converts rainwater, harvesting, and renewable energy for open spaces in smart cities, industries, and many other places. It is exactly what it sounds like. Rather than an umbrella with a concave top, this one has convex structure such that it collects the falling water like a bowl that trickles down the stalk into the ground where there is a collection and filtration mechanism. Ulta chatas are best installed in clusters of over 10 pieces, wherein each chata takes up more than 1 square feet of real estate and provides a catchment area of 360 square feet in turn. Each unit also has RF sensor, which is wirelessly controlled through the fee box. During monsoon, Ulta chata's concave canopy captures rainwater, which then trickles down to reach filter. The water is filtered using active carbon filtration, a method that uses a bed of activated carbon to remove impurities. The filter reduces the turbidity of water flowing through it, thereby making it potable. A cluster of between chatas are connected to Feebox with another fine filtration layer to remove bacteria, after which the water becomes usable. During dry months, solar panels fixed on the canopy harness clean energy that is stored in a battery within every chata. This further powers the chata and also supplies energy for the lighting system installed in the chata. The energy stored can be used to provide power backup for internal lighting on the premises where it is installed too. One unit of Ulta Chhata can collect 8 to 10 lakh quintal of water annually and capture energy with maximum peak power of 1.5 kilowatt. It is currently being used at over 50 locations across the country. This Ulta Chhata is multi-usable, from harvesting water and solar energy to providing shade to passes by Ulta Chhata. Chhata is one device that does it all. Some of Ulta Chhata team members were invited by the Indian Railways to speak about how the product would benefit them. What they realized that while Ulta Chhata can provide clean water and energy, it is also able to provide eco-friendly shading at a lower cost in comparison to archaic railway platforms roofs, which are costly to install and maintain. Ulta Chhata is being used on campuses of the large organizations in Bombay and Pune and many railway stations. The company is gearing up to set up devices in Gujarat and Bangalore. Water scarcity has become the reality of our lives, both in urban and rural areas. So, these Ulta Chatas are helpful to solve this problem. Indian government has adopted a project called Smart City Mission. In this project, these Ulta Chhatas must be used because we know its importance. That day is not far away when we'll be seeing these Ulta Chhatas not only in India but also in the whole world. It said, instead of waiting for someone to come and make a difference, be a part of the change on your own. And Priya Choksi and Sumit Choksi are doing same. Thank you.